Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Many fruits and vegetables are sprayed with pesticides, and if you do not wash them properly before consuming them, it can harm your health and cause a lot of diseases. Today, I'm going to share with you all how to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables effectively. 1. Using baking soda. Baking soda removes up to 90% of pesticides from fruit and vegetables. Simply mix some baking soda with water to make sodium bicarbonate, then soak your fruits for 12 to 15 minutes. When mixed with water and gently rub on apple skins and any fruit skins, the solution eliminates nearly all the residue left by commonly applied pesticides within 15 minutes. 2. Saltwater soak. Research suggests that soaking fruits and vegetables in a 10% saltwater solution for 15 minutes gets rid of most of the residues from the 4 most common pesticides. Washing with 10% of salt water will remove most of the contact pesticide residues that normally appear on the surface of vegetables and fruits. You can also mix 1 tablespoon of salt with half cup of water in a spray bottle and spray the vegetables. Then rub and rinse well under running water for a few minutes. 3. Vinegar soak. You can also use vinegar to remove pesticides from fruits and vegetables. Vinegar has been shown to help cut down on bacteria as well as remove a good amount of surface dirt and pesticide on fresh produce. Pour water into a large bowl and add 1 cup of white vinegar. After that, soak your fruits and vegetables in the water for 15 minutes. Drain the water and give the produce a quick rinse. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.